Why does your scanner show the P2602 engine code? What does it mean? P2602 is a diagnostic trouble code for coolant pump A, control circuit low. This engine code indicates that this problem, where the vehicle's engine computer, PCM, detects that the control circuit for the electric coolant pump is receiving a low signal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failing electric coolant pump. Bad coolant pump harness. Poor electrical connections. Grounding issues. Inoperative PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Accord and Diesel models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.